Hey folks, this is a very basic hanging daybed design I came up with that can easily be completed in a weekend. The goal was a basic sled configuration with 45-degree chamfers cut at the ends of 2x6 runners. My 2x4 beams are cut to make through mortises into the 2x6s. I'll secure each of these with a screw from the bottom. 1x4s finish the decking and it's onto the rail system. I used pocket holes and some milled 2x4s to make the railings, which will ultimately be its own separate piece from the daybed, with bolts on each end securing both parts together. With both parts of the frame completed, it's on to primer and paint. To hang the daybed, I'm drilling 1/2-inch holes through my porch's 2x8 framing and inserting 1/2-inch eye bolts into the holes. Half-inch wire clamps will hold the ropes on both the top and bottom. The railings easily snap into place and I can go ahead and secure them on each ends with bolts. And last but not least, this trifold mattress was purchased on Wayfair and the entire daybed was built to the dimensions of the mattress. Add your mattress, your slipcover, and your pillows and you're ready to enjoy.